The global animal feed industry is developing at an unprecedented rate, and whilst this is welcome news for manufacturers, it also produces a number of problems, such as how to maintain growth, continue to provide innovative products, and control costs in a way that will provide higher value for clients and help them continue to grow and prosper. ZCME, established in 1918, has made constant innovations in feed machinery industry and accumulated a wealth of experience in tackling the various challenges facing feed companies and, more importantly, is able to offer a range of comprehensive solutions. ZCME has now evolved into China's largest manufacturer of feed machinery. ZCME today has successfully constructed more than 2,000 turnkey projects around the world, covering fields of poultry and livestock feed, aquatic feed, pet feed, premix feed, sawdust pellet, fertilizer, silo storage, pasture, electrical control, and garbage treatment, etc. ZCME projects are designed to deliver to the client higher feed quality, higher overall capacity, and more profits. Here's an example. A complete poultry plant is constantly seeking for solutions of higher capacity, lower costs, and higher feed quality due to the rising costs for electricity, water, raw material, etc. ZCME has built for it 50,000 ton per year production lines, which consists of 3 high-grade poultry feed lines and 1 high-grade aqua feed line. The complete process from overall plan, technology design, equipment manufacture, installation, electrical control to service training are all undertaken by ZCME. The new project has obtained 10% higher capacity after putting into production, and nearly $500,000 can be saved per year at the current feed price of $10 per ton. How can ZCME solve the problems for the client? During construction, ZCME has scientifically selected and arranged plant and machinery, allowing expansion to take place with minimal interruptions and at a very low cost, saving a lot of spaces and costs. The plant, equipped with a high-capacity pellet and hammer mill, is now able to raise capacity by up to 10%. The high-precision gear drive system has 20% higher capacity over belt drive, taking 4 55A pellet lines, for example. 50,000 tons of feed can be produced additionally as compared with other models of a similar power. The unique conditioner and custom-built steam pipes ensure sufficient cooking of the feed. The extended conditioner with multi-steam inlets has prolonged conditioning time by 10 seconds, greatly improving pelleting capacity. The hammer mill with improved rotor assembly, grind chamber, feeding system, and regrind chamber has attained 30% higher capacity, tanking an 80-ton-per-hour corn grinding line, for example. It will reduce energy consumption by 30% and save electricity costs by $50,000 annually. The mixer is equipped with dual reducer of European Forberge technology, and its uniformity is over 95%, greatly saving energy. Multi-steam inlets and accurate steam adding system ensure sufficient cooking of material. The powerful liquid pulse addition system can add 5 to 8 kinds of liquid simultaneously so as to improve feed nutrition completely. As the core of feed production, batching accuracy has a direct impact on alimentation quality and feed nutrition. ZCME project boasts accurate batching, high-precision sensor rod, and short batching cycle. The elevator is equipped with separate piles to reduce dust concentration and prevent explosion. All bins and screens are controlled by centralized pulse filters with dust concentration less than 6.5 grams per cubic meter, below the industry standard of 8 grams per cubic meter. Worth mentioning is the state-of-the-art technology and high automation of ZCME projects. The whole process from raw material receiving to finished production transportation are controlled by full-screen PC, which can dynamically display flow rate, current, temperature, and capacity. The whole production line only requires one-man operation. We cut down 15% costs with ZCME machineries. The feed quality is better and capacity is higher. ZCME has indeed solved our problems. ZCME has constructed 6 modern plants and 9 production lines for Vietnam Tobacco ever since the establishment of the partnership. Within 3 years, Vietnam Tobacco has developed as the fast-developed comprehensive agricultural company in Vietnam and successfully went public in 2008 in Vietnam. This is how a director of Tobacco explained the relationship. In 2005, ZCME built a 5 tons per hour concentrate feed line for us and supply machineries for the whole process. The capacity has been raised by 15% since it is put into production. In March 2006, ZCME reconstructed raw material warehouse for us and solved serious problems like automatic intake, elevation and transportation, greatly improving automation and efficiency. In March 2007, ZCME built 350 paddy lines and equipped 8 steel silos for us. We were once again surprised by the speed and efficiency of ZCME as the whole process only taken 120 days, and the project passed inspection at one time. The 50 tons per hour feed project produces beautiful and highly nutritious feed, helping us expand the market. In January 2008, ZCME built 120 tons per hour high-grade fish feed extrusion line for us. In May 2009, Tobacco signed up the contract for 2 lines of 20 tons per hour 508 livestock and poultry feed with ZCME.
Tôi đã hợp tác với công ty Zhengchang từ trước đến nay 6 lần và đã duy trì mối quan hệ hợp tác.
We have worked with ZCME for 6 times and kept long-term partnership with them. They have plenty of experience and long vision, and they know us quite well. We trust them. Tyson Group. Tyson, the world's largest poultry manufacturer, has selected ZCME Complete Machineries for its first feed factory in China. The new factory has 15% higher capacity. Assuming it is cost $10 per ton, about $80,000 have been saved per year, which is highly appraised by Tyson Group. Thailand CP Group. ZCME has constructed 19 livestock and shrimp feed plants for CP Group. The 4 shrimp feed lines for Thailand CP can produce 5 1.7mm shrimp feed at 4.7 tons per hour, while the average industrial standard is only 3 to 3.5 tons per hour. Hope Group. Over 200 branch companies of Hope Group have selected ZCME Machineries. Hope Group has signed long-term strategic partnership with ZCME for strong faith in quality, efficiency, and service of ZCME. We see for constant innovation of our products. Every piece of drawing contains our sweat and wisdom. We are extremely serious with project designing, as the minor error could lead to defect. We have abundant experience in feed machinery manufacturing. We provide tailor-made products and services. Besides, we have strict quality supervision system. We finish installation and commissioning of each project on time and to standard. We try our best to avoid mistakes during installation. It is our basic service code to be responsible for customers. We deliver quick and considerate after-sales services. Our technicians pay monthly visits to customers and solve technical problems for them. Customers are very satisfied with our services. ZCME have conquered challenges one after another for the customers, an accumulative rich experience in the past 90 years. We are now making great endeavors to apply our latest achievements to feed, pasture, environment protection, fertilizer, sawdust shaping industries. ZCME is more than a professional partner who can provide advanced machinery, technology, and management ideas. It is also a truly problem solver who knows you well during your development. ZCME is with you every step of the way.